The entire state of Florida is currently under a mosquito-borne illness advisory after health officials identified malaria in one southwest Florida county. I spoke with Florida Department of Health Press Secretary Jay Williams about why they are taking a proactive statewide approach to prevention.
This is the first time in many, many years where malaria has actually been contracted within the United States. So that's why we're taking this so seriously.
Florida Department of Health officials have been monitoring the state for cases of malaria since Memorial Day.
And now here we are roughly a month later, and there's been a total of 4 cases.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, malaria is a mosquito-borne disease causing fever, chills, and flu-like symptoms. And while it doesn't spread from person to person,
they're not gonna catch it or simply by being in close proximity.
It can be deadly if left untreated.
And malaria is very easy to treat and very easy to cure, but we'd rather get it earlier than later.
Across the country, doctors diagnose about 2,000 cases each year. All 4 people identified with the disease in Florida have recovered. Once health officials in Florida identified the first 2 cases in Sarasota, they issued a health alert there and in neighboring Manatee County. They also began communicating with local governments to implement protection efforts.
You know, this may look different from county to county or even city to city. But at the end of the day, you know, we are offering those municipalities with the proper resources and tools that they need to best prevent, mitigate, and treat this disease.
DOH also encourages each individual to practice personal protection, especially as more outdoor activity is expected through the 4th of July weekend and the remainder of summer.
Wear bug spray, wear proper clothing, drain the water on your premises, and again, don't wait around. Be proactive.
Now, we have just a few more tips for you along those same lines to help you maximize your mosquito safety. First of all, drain the water from any containers, buckets, flower pots, toys even sometimes. Also, go ahead and throw away like tires or old appliances or anything. Discard those items. You're not using them anyway. Bird baths, water bowls, mosquitoes can gather there. Make sure you empty those frequently. Also, put a tarp over those boats. Keep mosquitoes out of those sitting areas. And if you have a swimming pool, make sure you go ahead and cover that and get that chlorine in there so it stays clean. Now, I did reach out to Leon and Gaston counties regarding their mosquito control efforts, but neither representative was available for immediate comment.